Hi everyone, and we are going to be looking at probability pond and our wonderful probability frog. We're going to be having a look at certain and impossible situations that are happening, and also some things that are more likely, less likely, or equally likely to happen. Okay, let's have a look at question 1. So what are the chances of selecting a red firefly? Okay, so let's firstly have a look. How many fireflies do we have there? And what colours do we have? Is it certain that the frog will select a red firefly? Or is it impossible that the frog will select a red firefly? So I want you to pause the presentation now and have a chat with your group and see if you can work out what you think the answer will be and why. And question 2 asks us, what are the chances of selecting a purple firefly? So again, we'll have a look at the number of fireflies that we have and the colour of the fireflies that are there. So do you think it's certain that you'll select a purple firefly, or that the frog will select a purple firefly? Or do you think it's impossible that the frog will select a purple firefly? So again, I want you to pause the presentation and have a talk with your group, and then select the situation that you think, the chance event that you think, so whether it's certain or impossible. So question 3, what are the chances of selecting a yellow firefly? So we can see that there are 5 yellow fireflies up in the sky. What are the chances of selecting a yellow firefly? Is it certain or is it impossible? So again, you need to pause it and have a chat with your group, and make sure you answer the question why. So you need to tell your group why you believe that it is either certain or impossible. Okay, as a group, I would like you now to go through the sequence of what you think the answer will be. So what are the chances of selecting a yellow firefly? So have a chat with your group and make sure that you say why you believe that your answer is correct. Question 1 of the second area that we're going to have a look at is what are the chances of selecting a yellow firefly? Now be careful here and have a look, because there is something different with this one than there was with the previous slide. So what are the chances of selecting a yellow firefly? Ask yourselves, what colours are possible? So what colours there do you think are possible? What colours are impossible? So make sure you have a look down the right hand side at the totals. What colour is impossible? Another question is it certain that the frog will get one colour firefly, or is there a possibility of getting two? What colour firefly do you think the frog is more likely to catch? And then answer the question. So what are the chances of selecting a yellow firefly? Make sure you pause and you talk as a group and you work it out. Now make sure you go to your worksheet for this one, because there are a few questions to go through and ask yourselves. So make sure you go back to the worksheet that's provided with this and work through that. Okay, so question 2 is asking you, what are the chances of selecting a blue firefly? Is it more likely, equally likely, or less likely? You need to go through the questions that are on your worksheet and answer those accordingly. Really good job, guys. Excellent.